Our teamwork is based on remote control floor cleaning machine. It's works on a principle called principle like Bluetooth operating system. And our main motto of our prototype is to clean a floor with wet or dry. And in the our prototype existing solutions are
The prototype existing solutions are janitors, mop sticks, and vacuum cleaner. The drawbacks are the vacuum cleaner is very costly, and the mop sticks which we can use, but for old people it's like it's very hard work, and the janitors.
Our project main issue is old people are suffering when they are alone. They want to clean the house, but they are suffering from waist pains. So to avoid that, we created a prototype that is a floor cleaning machine. They can easily operate by sitting there, sitting in a sofas. By keeping janitors, it is difficult because they take the things. Homemakers, our example is our mothers. They suffer a lot by doing whole works in a house. So,
user requirements are Arduino Uno HC05 Bluetooth module and L29 3D motor driver, 100 RPM motor driver, and chassis, free wheels, and jumper wires and breadboard. These are the user requirements for our prototype.
And our prototype will work with these requirements, and we arrange a Bluetooth sensor on a breadboard and it is connected to Arduino, and the Bluetooth sensor is used to operate the vehicle by using a application in our mobile or a remote, and the L29 3D motor driver is connected to RPM motors which will rotate the wheels of the vehicle to move forward or backward. In this way our prototype will work, and we will show an example. Our module will work in this way. It will go forward or backward, and it will rotate to right, and it will rotate to left. In this way we can clean our floors by using this model. So we at last we conclude by saying that this prototype will be useful for old age people, and not only old age people, the homemakers who can manage the task which they have more in number. Thank you.